Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put 1 inch page border line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put 1 inch page border. Go to the Home menu. Then click the text box option and draw a text box over the page. Then click the border and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape outline option and choose the black color. Then again go back this option and choose the wide. Then select the 1 pt. Now we can see we make this border 1 inch very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.